When should DevRel belong to product and not marketing?
It's an interesting question, right? And like I said about revenue and the leads and top of the funnel, all of that sort of stuff sounds very marketing and sales centric. But actually, I don't think DevRel should ever belong to marketing. This is very strong opinion, tightly held, not loosely held. Because the reason being, I think the incentives for each team in an org is very different. So for DevRels, the incentives should always be aligned to drive brand awareness, developer adoption, and then glue that thing tinkering around the platform because it's a developer product. And then developers use it and consume that in interesting ways. And I think Adam Frankel has great theories about model around this behavior. I would look at that, but then I think DevRel should never belong to marketing or even sales. But I want to say big but. DevRel should always be collaborative or looked at a force where you could collaborate with the product, sharing feedback. You could collaborate with sales in introducing interesting customers or use cases that they could double down on. You could collaborate with marketing on events and blog posts and stuff. So you always collaborate, you always work with them, but it's not like your incentives are driven by whatever. Like if you go to marketing, it's like growing X number of users. Like if you go to sales, maybe like growing leads, getting revenue. So no, incentives are different for DevRel. So I don't think it should belong to marketing.